कुछ नहीं कर रहा, सब दिखाई दे रहा है। यहाँ तक आपने लिखा कि
Good morning, students. Today I am going to teaching about human disease with human health. हिंदी में हम इसको बोलते हैं स्वस्थ मानव और रोग। जैसा कि क्लास 12 में लेसन 8 का ये चैप्टर है और इसको हम बहुत अच्छे तरीके से देखें तो इस चैप्टर से 4 नंबर का क्वेश्चन आता है सीबीएसई बोर्ड में। सबसे पहले हमारे दिमाग में आता है कि व्हाट इज ह्यूमन हेल्थ, मानव स्वास्थ्य और रोग है क्या। इसमें दो चीजें जुड़ी हुई हैं, मानव स्वास्थ्य अलग है और रोग अलग है। सबसे पहले हमारे दिमाग में आना चाहिए व्हाट इज ह्यूमन हेल्थ। अकॉर्डिंग टू द WHO, human health is the state of those persons which is completely health, physically, mentally and social. World Health Organization is the main organization in the world working about for health. Those are related from different type of disease, discovery of different type of vaccine. Those vaccines are given by in small children in the initial stage because the many microorganisms are infected of the initial stage of the children because the immunity stage, the immunity powers are very less in initial stage of the children. So WHO is decided if there are many type of diseases are infected by the persons by microorganisms. Those microorganisms are different type like protozoa, virus, bacteria and other microorganisms, fungus, etc. There are many type of disease. You can look here. First, typhoid. Typhoid disease are tested by the Vidal. The name of test is known as Vidal test. This Vidal test is the taking of the some ml of blood. There are some type of disease. Those diseases are infected by persons. This is the list of disease. This list is the indicate for the different type of disease caused by the different type of microorganisms. These microorganisms is known as related from particular disease. First, typhoid. Typhoid is the one type of disease. These diseases are caused by with the help of Salmonella typhi. Salmonella typhi because typhoid is spelling it starting from P. P is here silent and typhi is the related from particular disease is known as typhoid. Second, pneumonia. Pneumonia is the causes with the help of some particular microorganisms known as Streptococcus pneumoniae. Streptococcus pneumoniae is the one type of bacteria. Those bacteria is the causes of the disease is known as pneumonia. Pneumonia is the disease is initially causes in the infant or those child who was born in just now. Those children are caused with pneumonia. Pneumonia is the very infected disease. Particular those organs is name of lungs. Lungs is the infected with pneumonia. The small infant or children are not proper taking the oxygen for breathing and the temperature of body is increased in initial stage when Streptococcus pneumoniae are infected. Third name of common disease is known as common cold. Common cold is the disease which are spread through rhinovirus. Rhinovirus. Name of disease first and seconds are causes by bacteria, Salmonella typhi, Streptococcus pneumoniae, but the name of third disease is caused with the help of virus. This name of virus is particular known as rhinovirus. You know also, when the weather changes to cold to warm or warm to cold, then many persons are cases with common cold, influenza. These influenza or common cold are infected persons with the help of particular virus is known as rhinovirus. Persons are not taking the proper oxygen and not happen the proper mechanisms, particular known as breathing. Breathing are affected by common cold. Breathing are affected by influenza. The temperature of body temperature are increased and persons are suffering from common cold. These common cold are spread with the help of rhinovirus. Rhinovirus. Name of fourth disease is known as malaria. Malaria is a mosquito-borne disease. This disease is spread through bite of female Anopheles mosquito. This female Anopheles mosquito is spread of Plasmodium. So you can say malaria is the name of disease and name of protozoa is known as Plasmodium malaria. Plasmodium malaria. What is the Plasmodium? Plasmodium is a genus and malaria is a species. So you can say malaria is the fourth type. The name of Plasmodium is the fourth type. Those Plasmodium is the causes of malaria disease. First name of species Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malaria, Plasmodium ovale, and last one Plasmodium falciparum. There are four types of Plasmodium. This Plasmodium is the belong to the microorganisms is known as protozoa. Malaria is the mosquito-borne disease. This disease is spread through bite of the female Anopheles mosquito in human persons. This mosquito is when the bite and the Plasmodium are passed through blood circulation and come in to the liver, where their sporozoids are spread and development in the liver, where their spread of that many quantity of Plasmodium. But you can say the life cycle of Plasmodium is the complete in two hosts. First host mosquito. You can say in other word the name of mosquito is the female Anopheles, and second host is name of human. In last fifth amoebiasis. Amoebiasis is the second name of amoebiasis. Dysentery is the name of disease. Amoebiasis is the spread through particular microorganisms is known as Entamoeba histolytica. Amoebiasis is the second name. Amoebiasis, dysentery. You know also, this is the polluted waterborne disease, or when the food are infected by the microorganisms. So persons are suffering from dysentery. This dysentery is the caused by the particular microorganism is known as Entamoeba histolytica. Entamoeba is the name of genus, and histolytica is the name of species. You can say amoebiasis or entamoeba. Amoebiasis or amoebiasis dysentery, both are disease is the spread through entamoeba histolytica. Entamoeba is the belong part to the protozoa. Plasmodium is also belong to the protozoa. And last one, Escherichia. Escherichia is the helminthic disease. You can say this is the different from protozoa, bacteria, virus. Escherichia is the spread through Escherichia lumbricoides. Escherichia is the genus and lumbricoides is the species. Escherichia, the name of disease is known as Escherichiasis. Escherichiasis disease is spread through particular helminthic is known as Escherichia lumbricoides. Escherichia lumbricoides is very minute helminthic. You cannot see the naked eye. You can see with the help of microscope or electron microscope. Both. This disease is spread through polluted water and polluted food materials. Now last one, name of disease is known as elephantiasis. Is the common name of hathi paw. Elephantiasis disease is the spread through Boucheria bronchocti. Boucheria bronchocti is the name of microorganisms, but these are called the spread through mosquito. Boucheria bronchocti is the very minute microorganisms. It is spread through Culex mosquito. The name of microorganisms is known as Boucheria bronchocti. Boucheria bronchocti. Now the name of disease is known as ringworm. This is the seventh disease. Ringworm is spread through particular fungus is known as microspermum. You know also the symptoms of ringworm when the human skin are infected through fungus. The skin is look like redness in color and ring in shape. The particular skin are infected and these skin are infected and look like redness in color. Name of particular disease is ringworm. Worm is the small microorganism is known as like a fungus. This fungus is known as microspermum. Microspermum is the fungus. Now there are many types of disease caused with the help of pathogens. The name of pathogens is different type like bacteria, virus, fungus, protozoa, helminthic, etc. Now you read in class 12, human disease is a different type. This disease is spread through waterborne disease, airborne disease, mosquito-borne disease, fungus-borne disease, polluted water-borne disease, and infected air polluted disease. So you can read in class 12. There are many types of disease. the persons are infected of the particular disease is known as ringworm, pneumonia, common cold, malaria, amoebiasis, escheriasis, elephantiasis is name of disease, and where they are infected by microorganisms. These microorganisms is not look like in naked eye. We can see with the help of microscope. We can observe with the help of blood test. Doctors also know about after pathology test. The particular disease is known by the pathologist. The doctor decided how many type of disease is spread through infected water, polluted air. So doctors are taking that some type of diagnosis of the patient. The patients are after sometimes are taking the some medicines. The persons are eliminated from those microorganisms from body. So persons are healthy after taking the some medicines. Those medicines are referred by doctors. So today I am going to teaching about human health and disease. What is the full form of WHO? World Health Organization. WHO is the very big organization. These organizations are control of the different type of disease spread through all over world. So you can say that according to the WHO, the definition of human health. Human health is the refer those persons are completely health physically. Number one, physically. Number two, mentality. And number third, social. According to the WHO, those persons are completely health with the complete healthy in physically, mentally, and social. All the three categories. There are three categories are completely health. Those persons are called the human health, and there are no any disease. So those persons are completely health with the three categories. Physically, they are moved from. There are all parts of bodies organs are healthy and they are proper working. And next, second, mentality. Those persons which are completely health in mentality, there are no any tensions and depressed. And last one, social. Those persons who are completely health in social work. Social. So you can say the physically, mentally, socially factors are indicate those persons are healthy persons. And according to the World Health Organization, you know, WHO is the top of the organization, is working on human health. The head office is name of Geneva. The name of head office is known as Geneva, where there are different type of vaccine, different type of medicines, different type of solutions are reached in the different area of the world, where they are utilized by the doctors, utilized by the pathologists, utilized by the druggist and chemist. So you can say the WHO is the major organizations working on human health and disease. Health is the important part of the body. Health is the important part of the human, because the persons are suffering from any disease. So persons are not feel the good. They cannot do the any work in proper channel. So human are completely health according to the WHO definitions. Those persons who completely health with physically and mentally and social. There are some factors. Those factors are related from human health. First, balanced diet. Persons are taking the balanced diet. What is the balanced diet? Balanced diet is called the proper quantity of the some important components. Which components are provided by the food is known as carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. There are six components are found in the balanced diet. Those is name of carbohydrate, protein, there are carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water is the major and minor components. Those components are found in balanced diet. If the persons are taking the balanced diet, there are no doubt the persons are suffering from any disease, because these components are present in diet. So you can say the persons are taking the balanced diet, so person is never suffering from any disease. In seconds, proper hygiene. If the persons are remaining in proper hygiene, they are completely neat and clean in our body and clothes and surrounded area. Utensils, which utensils are parts of the taking of food materials, are refresh those persons who are completely remaining in proper hygienic, so persons are remaining in complete human health. Neat and clean. If the persons are completely neat and clean, our body and cross and surround area of the where there's found area where there remaining or there are residential area. If neat and clean, our persons are never suffering from any disease. So human health is the third factor is affected at neat and clean. And now last, regular exercises. If persons are daily going to morning walk and after going to bed, so walking to here and there, so person never suffering from any disease because regular exercise is the main important factors for human health. Regular exercise is the important role of human health because there are no chance for any disease. Those diseases are caused by microorganisms or any pathogens. So you can say there are four types of good habits for good health. First, balanced diet, proper hygiene, neat and clean, regular exercise, etc. What is the plasmodium? Plasmodium is the protozoa which is spread through female anopheles. Female anopheles is the one type of mosquito. These mosquitoes bite of any particular persons. Those persons are suffering from particular disease known as malaria. So how many types of plasmodium? Plasmodium is the four types. First, Plasmodium vivax. Second, Plasmodium malariae. Third, there are four types of Plasmodium. First, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malariae, Plasmodium ovale, and Plasmodium falciparum. Now, according to the advice of doctor, the very dangerous Plasmodium is known as Plasmodium falciparum. If the persons are infected from Plasmodium falciparum, so persons are not back to the good health because falciparum is the very dangerous plasmodium. Those plasmodium falciparum are infected of the brain. So you can say the common plasmodium is known as Plasmodium malariae and Plasmodium vivax. This Plasmodium malariae and Plasmodium vivax is the causes of malaria disease. So you can say Plasmodium is the name of protozoa. Those are inhibit, you can say those are transmitted through mosquito. Mosquito is the two type, male mosquito and female mosquito, but Plasmodium is the transmitted through female anopheles mosquito, not male, because male is the taking of the nectars of the flower, but female mosquito is known as female anopheles mosquito is the taking of the blood they are bite the persons when the taking of the blood. So persons are infected from malaria disease. This malaria disease is the causes with the help of Plasmodium. There are 4 types of Plasmodium species. Now revise again: Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malariae, Plasmodium ovale, and Plasmodium falciparum. There are 2 types of host. First host is name of female anopheles and second host of human. The complete life cycle of Plasmodium is related from 2 hosts. First host First one is known as female anopheles mosquito and second name of host is known as human body. So you can say the complete life cycle of the Plasmodium is related from 2 hosts. First female mosquito anopheles and second human body. So you can say Plasmodium is the very minute microorganisms you can see in blood when the causes bite of the mosquito. The name of mosquito is known as female anopheles. This female anopheles bite of the human persons. Then Plasmodium are entered in blood and go into the liver through blood circulation. Where there in liver part the Plasmodium are progress. The Plasmodium are developed in the liver, and 1 type of poisonous part are secreted by the Plasmodium. This is known as hemozoin. 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 Hemozoin is the 1 type of poisonous part. Poisonous matter of the found in the human blood is related secreted from Plasmodium. So persons are suffering from fever in 104.56 degree Fahrenheit. So persons are infected from malaria disease. Hemozoin is the secretion by the Plasmodium when red blood corpuscles, you can say in short RBC, is the spread of the hemozoin. This hemozoin is the dangerous and poisonous part of secreted by Plasmodium. So today I am taking the class human health and disease. How you can feel, how you can take the subscribe, like another persons. If any complaints, you can tell me through the proper channel of Vidyadhar School. Now you know also the complete what is the human health and what is the disease. Both are different, but both are related from one chapters. But those are related from human health and disease. Human health is other part and disease are other part. So you can today know also the both type of part. What is the human health? What is the definition of human health? And how many type of disease causes through pathogens? What is the name of pathogens? What is the pathogens? Pathogens is the very microorganisms. Those organisms are not looking in naked eye. You can see with the help of microscope. Those pathogens are spread of the different type of disease like tuberculosis, influenza, common cold, malaria, filaria, etc. So this is the end of my class. How you can feel here? Like, subscribe. Thank you very much.
Ah,